the triangle shows triangle ADC. ADC is that big triangle here. E is a point on AD. So E is a point on AD and B is a point on AC, such that EB is parallel to DC. We know that because there's arrows on the diagram. AE is 15, EB is 18, DC is 21. We need to calculate the length ED, which is here. Okay, because these two lines are parallel, the triangles are similar. Basically, that angle is equal to that angle is equal to that angle, and this is the same angle in both triangles. So therefore, this large triangle here is an enlargement of this triangle here. If that is true, then we could say that AD over AE is going to be equal to DC over EB. Just pause the video there and check that again. Right, substituting in the numbers, but I'm going to have to I don't have an expression for AD, but if I let ED, the length that I asked to find, be X, I'll just draw that on my diagram there for you. Then we know that X plus 15, because this length here for AD is X plus 15 over 15 is equal to DC, which is 21, over EB, which is 18. And then if I rearrange that, X plus 15 will be 21 over 18 times 15. And I'm going to get X plus 15 is equal to 17.5, and therefore X is equal to 2.5. Therefore, ED will be equal to 2.5 centimetres. The length that I'm asked to find will be 2.5 centimetres. So this has been the use of similar triangles in order to calculate a unknown length. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.